Hey lovely family, let's do a quick empty tour of this beauty of a detached duplex together. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of our amazing videos that we release here every week. This house right here is 100% ready, so it's a turnkey home for people who are looking to move in immediately. It's a 4-bedroom, fully detached duplex to the boys' quarter and also comes with a penthouse. It is a modern designed home with an open plan kitchen. This beauty also comes with a family lounge, a box room, a laundry room, and of course a pantry in the kitchen, and the verandas are so lavishly done. It is located in a beautiful estate in a serene environment just before the Lagos Business School in Ajah. And of course, there is ample security, great amenities right here for your living pleasure. We have just one unit of this left in the estate now. Take a look at the beauty of your next estate. So there is just one unit, so that means the fastest person to call me gets the keys to this home. It's in the market for 115 million naira. So make sure you do not waste time at all. Pick up your phone and call me right away, because the very first person to call me gets this home. And of course, you can very well tell that this is luxury right here and you don't want to miss it. So call me right now and let's help you get the keys to this home.